Memphis and Shelby County are finally singing the same tune. Both have agreed to put up $50,000 to restart the Cash for Tires program.
We're anticipating getting over 100,000 tires off the street.
City Councilman Harold Collins says a person can get up to $150 a day.
It would be wonderful, yes. Yes, I've seen a lot of tires along the side of the streets and the roads, and the sanitation department will not pick them up.
People from the South Memphis neighborhood are excited that the Cash for Tires program is coming back because tires like these are finally going to get cleaned up.
It'll be great for something to inspire people to get them off the street.
It happens, and then we clean it up, and then it happens again, and clean it up.
If all goes well, neighbors won't have to worry about that anymore. It'll be the fourth time the city and county participated in the Cash for Tires program. It first started in 2009. This time, Collins says there will be a crackdown on cheaters.
We will still have the affidavits available where people will have to sort of sign and certify that they are a county resident, that that their tags are county tags, that they are not in any way, shape, form, or fashion affiliated with a secondhand tire dealer or tire dealership.
The Cash for Tires program starts as soon as 30 days from now. In South Memphis, Jackie Orozco, ABC 24 News.